ihe anyị ji wee bịa taata. Ọ bụ na Igbo onye Igbo, ị mara asụ Igbo, anaghị jiri ewe na-eme gị na-akọ gị ọnụ, and they are using it to insult you, and they are using Igbo insult on you, or you are in the midst of Igbos and they are insulting you with the language and you don't know. Just stay cool, and I'll tell you so many types of insults in Igbo language. What we are looking at today is insults in Igbo language. I don't say it after listening or after learning. You go and use it on someone. No. Don't try to use it on someone. But when I'm making these lessons or video, is to, at least for you to be aware when somebody insults you in Igbo language. So you'll be able to know what the person actually means. And please remember, don't use it. Don't use it on someone. So the first one, which is popular, if they call someone Onyara. Majority of people that are not even Igbo knows what is Onyara. Mad person. They're very mad. Yakolomenta or something. Onyara, mad person. Onyi iberibe. Jesus. If they call you Onyi iberibe, that means you're a very stupid person. You don't know anything. You're very stupid. You don't know anything. You're out of this world. You're like Onyi iberibe, like an imbecile. An imbecile that doesn't know anything. That is what it means. Onyi iberibe. It's a very hot insult. Onye nzuzu. Onye nzuzu is kind of equivalent to that onye iberibe. Person that doesn't have sense. Onye nzuzu. That's, you are just like that imbecile we are talking about. Onye nzuzu. You don't know anything. They are senseless. Just like onye iberibe. Two of them are brothers and sisters. Onye iberibe. Onye nzuzu. Please don't use that word. It's onye ime ọhịa. Agwagina, look at this one. Onye ime ọhịa. Hey, the person is trying to tell you you're a bush person, you're a village person. You're like, you're still in the, you've not even experienced, like, you're still in the bush. You're a villager, still timid or something. You're timid. You are a village person. Onye ime ọhịa. Ọhịa in Igbo, it really means, ọhịa means bush, forest. You can imagine when somebody now tell you onye ime ọhịa. Person is trying to say you're a bush person, you're a village person. Like, don't go and tell somebody onye ime ọhịa. It's not good. It's not really good. Another one is ewu. Ewu. If they call you ewu, it means goat. Oh, you're a goat. You're a goat. Maybe he goat or she goat. Whichever one, if you're a female, the goat is maybe she goat or he goat. Ewu. That kind of insult. Used to pepper for body. Ewu. If they call you ewu, means the person is trying to say that you're a goat. Don't use it on someone. Ezi. Hey, if they call you Ezi, Ezi means, our previous lessons when we talk about names of animal, Ezi means pig. A dating person. If that person wants to eat that thing pay you very well, they will now use Ezi bida. Hey, you know their type of pigs. If they now put bida in your own, that means the type of pig they're calling you is the most dirtiest one. The most dirtiest one is bida. That insult's loud. So it's not good. Don't use it on people. Please. Just for you to be aware, so that you caution the person immediately. Think I don't know what you're saying. You're calling me pig. Please don't use it on someone. If they call you akagon, this one, will I say it? Sometimes, sometimes this particular one is not an insult, but it's an insult. Yeah, it's an insult. Maybe someone that is very, very stingy. for you to tell the person you're stingy. That one, akagum, aka super glue hand. It's very stingy. You need the open hand to give. Person is akagum. Majority of people are guilty of this one. I myself, I am guilty of this word. Oh. I used to tell someone, yeah, stingy person, akagum, ibonya akagum, ibonya akagum. But it's not actually good. It's not a good word. Yes, it's not a good word to use. So don't use it on someone. Most times we use it to play, but not really. So akagum, when somebody call you akagum, is what? Your hand is like this. You don't give. You don't give out at all. The person is trying to say that we are very stingy. Aka super glue. You are very stingy, don't give out. So again, don't use that word. Somebody call you nkita. Hey, you know what it means, nkita? Dog. Continue barking. Nkitara. They don't put nkitara, mad dog. All those mad dogs that will bark without even doing it. Look at you. After talking, talk, nkitara. Hey, if they call you nkitara, it means mad dog. That is only talk, you know. Mad dog. Dog means nkita. You don't put ara there, mad. Nkitara. Konu now. Nkitara. It means mad dog. Don't use that word. Okay? Just for you to know this insult. But don't use it. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Let God punish you. Ndị na-ekwu ka Amadioha gbukwa gị. Amadioha gbuo gị. Like Amadioha means is a deity, a god in Igbo. Amadioha, kind of ROC, a god. Amadioha gbukwa gị. Let the god strike you down, kill you or something. Yes. Amadioha, let the god kill you. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, let God burn you. Is an insult. People use it. Tell the person, Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, let God burn you, let God destroy you. Is an insult. Don't use it. That is what it means. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, let God burn you. Amadioha gbuo gị, like to gbuo gị, let the gods of the land kill you. Is an insult. It's not. It's, you know, there is power in mouth. So when you are trying to say that thing, it's not really good to say it to your fellow human being, because words really affect. So it's not good. And funny enough, some parents angrily call their children this. It's not good. Please avoid it. Just for you to know. That's why I'm saying it. Please. The next one is ajomadu. Wicked person, bad person. Ajomadu. You know Igbo ajomadu. Igbo ajomadu. That's what it means. Bad person, wicked person. That one. You might not even be talking to the person, but you are telling someone that one, that man. Hey, that man is an ajomadu. Is a wicked person, a bad person. Ajomadu means wicked person, bad person. That person is ajomadu. Wicked person, bad person. Isi gbariegi. Isi gbariegi. Hey, Jesus. I told you, there is power in mouth. Some of these things is not good to say on someone. Isi gbariegi. You know what it means? Isi gbariegi. Like, you should become mad. You should become mad. Let your sense, like, you should be senseless. Isi gbariegi. Isi means the head. Like, should let it, like, let it cut off at all. Like, isi gbariegi is a very bad insult. Please don't use it. Because if somebody say isi gbariegi, you say, you mean you want me to be senseless? That is when you caution the person. Yes, I know what it means. That is what isi gbariegi. So don't use it, please. Onye mkpọtụ. Maybe someone is trying to tell you, say, Look at you are making noise on your mkpọtụ. Stop. You're talking trash. Onye mkpọtụ. If somebody say onye mkpọtụ, maybe you're talking nonsense. You're talking trash. Onye mkpọtụ, please go and sit down. God don't know. Igbo onye mkpọtụ, you don't know. You won't do anything also. Onye mkpọtụ. Noiseless person. Like you're making a hell of noise. You're not even making any sense. You're making noise. That is what it means. Onye mkpọtụ. Mpi. Hey, if somebody call you mpi, you know what mpi means? You know, I told you mpi that's animals in when we talk about animals in Igbo language. I mentioned sheep. Mpi. You know, there is kind of mpi in ewu. Ewu means goat, right? But the male goat is what we call mpi. You know, all those village mpi, they used to smell. You can imagine when somebody say, yeah, mpi. Ha! You're a male goat. My brother, my sister, they call you mpi. Ah, so terrible. You know the way they smells and all that. Mpi, the male goat. The goat. The male one. All those grandfather ones. Please don't use it. Don't call somebody mpi. The next one is anumpama. Anumpama. Hey, Jesus. How will I even describe this one? Anumpama. Like, it just means like when you're a man, but you're not even a man. Yeah. You're not even a man. You're not capable. Yes, you're not capable. Somebody is anumpama. That is anumpama. Because and have your seats. You cannot do like is person is trying to tell you that this one you're a man, but you're not a man. You're not capable. You are not capable. That is what it means. So, where my Igbos, drop some insult in the comment section, and please, funny enough, some people use this word angrily. And you know, as I said, there's one in spoken words. That is why some parents, if their children provoke, they will be like, onye meheri, enigi chineke ya there, but you know, they will be saying some words that is not good, that affect the children in future. Please don't use all this insult. It's not good. It's not good. So if you have any insults, maybe somebody insulted you that you really want to know the meaning, put it in the comment section and I'll help you out and explain the meaning of it. So this is the end of our lesson today, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It will really, make me to put more, bring more lessons. And don't forget to comment, like, and share. Please comment, please put your thoughts, comment section, put your suggestions, your question, and all that. Please see you in my next class. Bye.